Hi, this is Manmat. Welcome back to MK Seafood Institute. In recent times, European Commission as well as developed countries sets maximum target levels for the certain kinds of chemical compounds. So, for example, PFAS, perfluoroalkyl substances, perpolyfluoroalkyl substances, and mycotoxins and biphenyls. These are the chemical compounds. Now let us discuss about perpolyfluoroalkyl substances. PFAS, European Commission Regulations 2022/2388 of 7th December 2022, amending Regulation EC number 1881/2006 as regards maximum level of perfluoroalkyl substances in certain foodstuffs. This European regulation has been entered into the force since 1st January 2023. Why in recent times European Commission has set the maximum levels for the PFAS? Because of PFAS are nothing but forever chemicals. Due to their longevity and wider applications, PFAS are extensively used in many manufacturing industries, textile manufacturing industries, food packaging industries, cookware industries, packaging industries, etc. Because of these are the kind of forever chemicals. Due to their longevity and the persistence in the components of the blood, so the European Commission has set the target levels, the maximum residual levels of these chemicals. Perfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, are group of synthetic compounds which have been used widely since 1950. These PFAS chemicals are found in the environment. Environment means in the water. The PFAS chemicals are found in the water and soil and the food also, and the supply chain also. These chemicals pose a risk to the human health. Why the European Commission has set maximum levels for PFAS? Because of adverse effects if the chemical residue. In recent studies by the University of South California, so they have found the link between the higher amount of PFAS in young adults' blood correlated to the poor sleep. Why? Because see, earlier also the people were using PFAS since 1950, but in recent times only our metabolic system, our mechanism, our body could not able to break down the PFAS complex chemicals in our body. The PFAS levels, what they have revealed, South California University, the PFAS levels of higher amount of PFAS levels are found in young adults because of most of the adults are sleep deprivation, disruptive sleeps, or poor sleeps because of nowadays screen times and digital times and OTT platforms are came. So after dinner, after taking dinner also watching the screen time, watching mobile phones or smartphones, social medias and OTT platforms also. No one is following sleep discipline. No one is following absolute sleep time. So we should always maintain the absolute sleep time. Means adequate sleep is required. Otherwise, our body won't detoxify certain kinds of complex compounds like PFAS. PFAS can cause the cancer, and PFAS can cause the infertility, and PFAS will disrupt the endocrinal functions, and PFAS will also enhance the weight loss, and in children's PFAS, if levels are high in their blood, and developmental issues also will come. Even the cow blood also contains higher amount of PFAS, and water, drinking water also contains higher amount of PFAS. Maybe PVC pipes, plastics and packing materials, or cookwares, non-stick cookwares also extensively using these kind of chemicals. So that is why the first time European Commission came forward and established the maximum set target. As per the Commission regulation, for shrimps, the PFAS should not exceed 8 ppb, whereas for fish, the PFAS levels in their meat should not exceed 20 ppb. So randomly we have to send the samples to the external lab and examine the PFAS. And PFAS substances, there are many substances, but among those, they have isolated only the 4 substances which are highly carcinogenic. Seafood may be at higher risk for environmental contamination of PFAS than other food types. Because of seafood, we have to cultivate, water bodies, most of the water bodies are contaminated with the PFAS. So we have to conduct the risk assessment and examine, send the samples to the outside labs, and take the commitment from the packaging material suppliers and monitor at regular intervals. That's all about the video. Thank you, universe, for giving me the opportunity to learn and share the knowledge to the needy. Thank you.